Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to see who liked you without gold on Tinder, right? So basically if you don't have the gold subscription on your Tinder, right, there's another way that will, it will give you a hint that someone have liked you. So in the bottom middle, you will see a message icon, right? So this one. So once you have click on it, so for example, if there's a person who have matched you, if there's a person who have liked you, definitely they will get an option to text you. So automatically here, all the person who have texted you or liked you, basically if someone have swiped you right on here like this, then definitely you will get an option here and it will show you the person name, and there should be a yellow color notification that likes you, right? You don't need to text somebody, or neither that person need to text you. Automatically Tinder will show you. So basically it's not exactly a similar feature like gold, but it's definitely give you hint that who have liked you on Tinder. I hope you found this trick very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.